What's up guys, Faster back from Tech and Toys and welcome to another new video. So today I'm basically back with another tutorial for installing hacked apps and games, and the other tutorial I had showed is in simply working on iOS 11.2.5. I didn't know why, but without wasting any time, let's get right into this. Okay guys, so before we get into this video, I want to tell you one thing, that please do subscribe to my channel, because I am making videos by so much efforts, and I cannot tell you that the last video I made in editing is like, it took me very less time and very less editing, but I was really sick at that time. I can't explain how sick I was. I was in the hospital when I made that. I switched off all the lights in the hospital and I made it. I had carried all my gear. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, because I am working a lot hard and I'm trying to be regular to the channel. So that thing. And so firstly, you want to open appvalley.vip on your Safari, and I'll be linking it in the description. So go and click on install app valley. Click some multiple times, 2 to 3 times, and it will show install app valley beta. Click on install, and it will shortly be installing the app valley beta version, so on your device. So when you go to the home screen, you can see anywhere on your home screen. Actually, I made it default in the utilities and new app install. You can do that by customizing your device, but yeah, we'll talk about that later. And there you go. If it shows you untrusted enterprise developer, go to settings, head over to general, scroll down, and go to profiles and device management, trust it up. Okay, so first things, you want to go open app valley up. So mine didn't show the untrusted, it shows in some devices now. Once you open this, it gives you like the app store interface. Like, it's pretty amazing. You have the game section, apps and updates, the search. It's absolutely same like the app store. And then you've got many apps over there, Geekbench for that's paid, and iOS, and you've got many apps. You can just go through them when you have free time, but here you'll get any application free. So basically, I'm a great fan of GTA series, and by the way, I don't play much games, but still I'm a great fan of GTA series. So let's just try out to install a GTA, any GTA series. So you can see when I type GTA, there's GTA 3 Chinatown Wars and Liberty City Stories, but I guess I like San Andreas better than these. So once you search this, I'm gonna head over and click on get. Sorry, yeah, you wanna head over and click on the get button, and it's gonna take you towards that application, and then you wanna hit install. And once this application installs, it'll open. Like, you don't need to trust it and stuff. It'll just open by its own. So I'm sorry. Wait. Okay, so you would click on install, and after that you can just wait for it to install, and I'll be right back after this happens. So once you have the GTA installed on your device, and you can go head over and open up the application. This application took me like an hour to install. It's a lot of time, but this application at the same time is even a really big application. So it is like a 1.52 GB application, and I actually used to play GTA on my iCloud, so I saved it. I did a mission till Drive By, and then when I signed in the Rockstar Games, I got my level back. So as you can see, the game is flawless and it works without any lag. It doesn't look like you've installed it, like it isn't even a mod. It's the original game. It's just that you've installed it absolutely for free, and you're playing it on your iOS device. So before, we did not have when the I guess the brightness is a little bit low. Let me just check it out. I'll just go to the home screen and just increase up the brightness, because I feel that the brightness is quite low on the game. That's the reason even I'm not able to see the game properly. Okay, so yeah, now I guess it will be fine. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, this is a really great game. I love this game because actually I love GTA 5, but you know, there's no option. You have to play this on your iOS device. It's an alternative GTA 5, because GTA 5 is like a high RAM. It needs high RAM, it needs high ROM, it needs everything high. So whatever. So this is like an alternative to the GTA 5, and I guess it's pretty good. Not a lagging issue until now, and I feel that it'll be. I think it can be installed on any device: iPad, iOS, iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, anything. So yeah, and as you can see, it had even drive the car pretty good, pretty great. I actually don't know how to drive the car. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This is Fast from Tech and Toys, and I'll catch you guys up later. And until the next one, peace.